Hello guys and girls! Today we're gonna see how to make two amazing cocktails for those coming holidays. One is called Father Christmas and the other one In the House. Hope you enjoy. So for those two cocktails we will need on one side some kiwi freshly cut, one fruit, 4 centiliters of white egg, one whole lime fresh juice, and 8 centiliters of the stevia water that is homemade also. For the other one, we'll do the same, except instead of putting the kiwi, we'll put some fresh strawberries. In that case, I cut 4 strawberries. Okay? So let's see how to make them.
I'm the man on the mic. Y'all know the boy flyer than sin at night. Me and sin alike. Know why? I'm getting cake here. I grab a ho and make it rain, dear. So fix your face queer, course I'm raw. On the offer tour, I'm a boss for sure. Talking war, your dog floss a 4. That'll give you lead poisoning, cause it's off the war. I'm a player, fuck them constant haters. Around here, I'm calling shots like a commentator. This ain't your common gator stepping on a comp. I had to go get these, wrestled out the swamp. Weaponry to launch, grab it out the pocket. You think, damn, how this nigga carrying a rocket? Flash you for a profit, cause it's kinda funny that my lawyer kinda clumsy how you catch your case and drop it. Deck the halls, it's a dipset Christmas. We all balls, a dipset Christmas. Fa la 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 la, a dipset Christmas. We fly high, it's a dipset Christmas. Deck the halls, it's a dipset Christmas. We all balls, a dipset Christmas. Christmas cheers, dipsets here, all in every day.
So let's see what is this Father Christmas and In the House. Let's start with In the House. Looks has a nice color, like the Christmas tree. That's not. I like the foam. Foam is white, a bit greeny. This is so spectacular. It's sweet. Has the citrus side of the lime and the kiwi taste. It's very refreshing. That's very good. Now let's see the Father Christmas. So Father Christmas has with a pink foam, red color, like Father Christmas colors. This is good. Same side, citrus side coming back with the ends like strawberry taste, fresh strawberry taste. I cannot choose. They're both delicious. So, guys, have an amazing holiday and see you next year. Cheers.